Hello everyone, I'm Callum Chapman often, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy GoPro monopod or selfie stick, whatever you want to call it. First off, you're going to need some sort of metal pole. This is obviously off crutches, which I'm currently on. I have a spare set, due to breaking my foot. I have a spare set for upstairs and downstairs, and another spare set for in case either of them break. And yeah, so this is the bottom leg of the crutch, and obviously it's just disconnected with these two pins, and it's sort of the perfect angle, the diameter, that's it. Perfect diameter for what we're going to be using it for, and it's got a nice little rubber stand on the bottom. So, you have your GoPro as well, which you're going to need. You can use any GoPro. I've got the Hero, the latest edition of the Hero, but it is only the basic model, but it does what I need. It does 60 frames per second and 1080p quality. Also, which comes with your GoPro, you will need the little screw thing which attaches to whichever mount you choose. So you've got your screw thing, and finally a handlebar mount, which is that's what I call it. You can get these on little accessory packs. I think this was part of my mum's accessory pack she bought, and it came with absolutely loads of different things, and two of these. Basically, this sort of got a circular and rubber grips here, which you can clamp down, and obviously a standard GoPro mount. This is not a GoPro product. I'm pretty sure GoPro do something like this, but this is just a cheap knockoff that actually is pretty good and works well. So basically what you want to do is get your handlebar mount and slide it over the top of your crutch leg, line it up properly, do up the clasps, grips, whatever you want to call them, depending on how tight you want it is obviously up to you. That'll be about right for me. It's quite sturdy. So yeah, now you've got your crutch leg on the end of your crutch. Sorry, you've got your GoPro mount on the end of your crutch leg. So then you're gonna, obviously, as you would with any other GoPro, depending on which way you want it, you can either, I'll show you first this way, and if you put it this way, then obviously you want to line it up, which can be a pain in the ass sometimes. Especially with these non-franchise, there you go. Screw that in. Point up. Yeah, and basically there you have it. There's your GoPro monopod. I will show some shots of this in action in a minute. So you can either have it that way for obviously straight shots, but if you want it selfie mode, you're going to want to undo this, pull it round, and put it the other way. Yeah, this can be a little bit of a pain to line up these holes, as it is quite stiff because it's a non-genuine GoPro product, which can take some time and some wiggling about, which I'm going to demonstrate now because it is a pain. There you go. Oh, I've accidentally turned it on. Turn that off. Yeah, tying it up, and yeah, there you go. You can also have it this way as well. This is probably the best way of doing it and the way I choose to do it, but I was just showing you can use it the other way. But as they're quite wild field of view, you can maybe catch these in the sort of camera angle of the GoPro. So yeah, and now you've got your GoPro on your crutch leg. You can stand it up like that. You can use, and if you face it that way, then as you can see I'm doing, you can selfie yourself. So you can, you know, hang it out of the car while you're driving, while you're surfing, and you've got yourself a pretty low budget GoPro selfie stick / monopod. So basically, you don't actually have to use, as I've used, a crutch leg. You can use a bit of metal pipe, a kitchen tissue roll, one of the thin ones, anything that will fit around the handlebar mount, and as long as it's tightened up and everything, and you can trust putting it out the side of a car or surfing, whatever you do, then yeah, it's perfect. So I'll show you some quick shots of it in action and how you can use it. Well, there you have it. There's your GoPro selfie stick monopod thing. Call it whatever you want, but yeah, there's how to make it. It's quick and easy. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.